का भी ना थोड़ा restrictions है. Okay, this is your LSB, that is least significant bit, and this is your MSB. यहाँ पे वो शॉर्टकट काम ही नहीं आएगा. Suppose if I have 0 0 over here. So this is your LSB, this is your MSB. शॉर्टकट हम बस बताने के लिए बोल रहे हैं. Do not try and implement it. शॉर्टकट क्या है? For finding 2's complement is that from the LSB, copy all the zeros till the first one is not reached. तो LSB से जितना भी जीरो स्टार्ट होता है वो सारा कॉपी कर लो. हम क्यों वाइड से शॉर्टकट एप्लीकेबल नहीं है क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग में तो कोई जीरो ही नहीं था. तो वो हियर अपने से then the entire number changes. Adding 0 over here, the number will not change. But if you add 0 over here, the number changes. Right? So here, first is you copy all the zeros from the LSB. First one is reached. You copy that one also. बाकी जितना भी बचा सबको कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर दो. Which is 0 0 1 1 0 0. समझ में आया?
ম্যাম বলছি যদি এখানে আমার এলএসবি তে 1 থাকে
সেক্ষেত্রে শর্টকাট বেকার है. ইনফ্যাক্ট আই উড লাইক
ম্যাম ম্যাম যদি 1 টাকে আমি কমপ্লিমেন্ট করতে চাই তাহলে তো 1 কে আমি ইসে 1 এ কমপ্লিমেন্ট করলে হচ্ছে 0 সেখানে 1 বসবে জাস্ট আর বাদ বাকি তো সব কপি হয়ে যাবে মানে যা ছিল ওগুলো কমপ্লিমেন্ট হবে শুধু.
Suppose it is 1 1 0 0 triple 1. Tell me.
হ্যাঁ তারপর যদি আমি এটা করি
you are saying 1 will be copied और बाकी कॉम्प्लीमेंट हो जाएगा.
हाँ मैम.
Is this the 2's complement?
Yes ma'am.
Good, thank you all. I didn't know this. Yeah, then LSB अगर 1 भी है
अभी देखा कि ऐसे करके हो सकता है.
हाँ, LSB अगर 1 है तो वो 1 को डायरेक्टली कॉपी कर दो और 1 के बाद पहले जितना भी डिजिट था सबको कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर दो. हमको लग रहा था कि दिस इज ओनली एप्लीकेबल अगर 0 होगा, बट लाइक ऑलमोस्ट सेड ऐसा भी है. दिस इज आल्सो शॉर्टकट. तो क्या होगा? यू आर बेसिकली स्किपिंग द स्टेप ऑफ doing the 1's complement and then adding +1. This directly is just seeing the problem. In case you are running short of time, I don't have to do the 1's complement +1. Directly just seeing the binary number, you can find out the 2's complement. समझ में आया सबको? Thank you all.
Yes ma'am.
Can I move ahead? I don't.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, इसके बाद comes the concept of जैसे Venn diagram वाला concept, 1's and 2's complement. These are very small topics. I have brought this up because they are mentioned in the new syllabus. And I taught them अगर only because तुम लोग का MCQs होगा तो ये सब ज़्यादा question का tendency है आने का. ठीक है? तो that is why. और ये बहुत छोटा-छोटा टॉपिक्स है तो एकदम फटाफट बोल दिए ताकि ऐसा ना हो कि एग्जाम में आएगा ये वाला कंप्लीटली ब्लैंक कि ये वाला तो टॉपिक हुआ ही नहीं था क्लास में. Coming to your, now I will not teach the entire thing. I will just tell the classification of your weighted and non-weighted codes. Now, what are these codes? Codes. What do you mean by codes? What is codes? Layman term. I don't want a digital electronic answer. What do you mean by codes?
Ma'am, some encrypted form of the thing that we already know.
Exactly. It's like a group of numbers or a group of symbols. They together give you allot a particular term to it. Kind of like you're encrypting a group of symbols or letters or numbers. It's like any kind of encryption technique. So that is a code. Now in digital electronics, there are 6 different types of codes. The first is your weighted code. I will just give the name and an example. Details में I'll go to the next class. Weighted code माने, suppose you're writing a binary number. Number is 1110. Now this particular number, it can either have a positional weight. What is that? I will come to that. Suppose when you write 0, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 4. So this was 0, 2, 4 and 8. Sorry, this is 1. Right? This is how you convert a binary to decimal. Is it not?
Yes.
So these things
Yes,
which
ma'am.
are 1, 2, 4 and 8, these are the positional weights of this particular binary number. So we have the concept of weighted code where each binary number is given a positional weight like the 8421 code which I just showed. There is again 2421 code also. Then we have the BCD code where each binary number has a particular positional. It has a particular position. Again, we also have something known as non-weighted code where the binary number, they will not have any particular position. Now, example of non-weighted code will be your XS3 code, gray code. These are your non-weighted codes, where the numbers which are given in a particular place, they do not have any such position. Examples of what are they? In fact, not what are they. I will go into details later. So third one is your reflective code. Reflective code example is again your 2421 code or XS3 code. Now reflective code is also known as your self-complementing code. Why is it called self-complementing? I will tell you all today only, but after I'm done teaching all the different codes. Reflective code or self-complementing code, it is a 2421 code. Example is 2421 code and XS3 code. All right. The fourth one is your sequential code. Now see, all these which I'm telling you all of them you will not be learning in digital electronics. But again, they might ask what are the different classification of codes, or they might in an MCQ give what is an example of a sequential code, or what is an example of a error detecting code. It's not that sequential code you will be learning in details. What you'll be learning in details is your weighted code, your non-weighted code, reflective code. That is it. These are, I'm just teaching you all in case 1 mark MCQ question comes. Sequential code example is again your XS3 code and your 2421 code. Fifth is your, not 2421, sorry, it's 8421. Your alpha numeric code. Everyone is familiar with ASCII?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
C में तो पढ़ाए थे. ASCII was an alphanumeric code where it is composed of your digits, your special symbols, the A to Z, capital, small e to Z, and 0 to 9. So ASCII was an alphanumeric code which we have already learned. And last one is your error detecting and correcting code. Now, why do we need this code is that suppose there are two digital devices placed at a particular distance. Now, suppose from the source position, you are trying to transmit a digital signal. Suppose you are trying to transmit a digital signal which is composed of the binary numbers 10110. This is the source signal. And in the destination signal, you are getting the person who is receiving on the end, they find that they have received the signal as 10111. How did this happen? Why this happens is because when you are suppose sending when you're transmitting any digital data or you're transmitting any signal from one end to the other, what happens is in between, in the transmission process, noise gets added in the signal. Okay, some kind of noise, some kind of disturbance, it will be added in the original signal. And when this noise or when this disturbance gets added in the original signal, it modifies the signal. माने इट बेसिकली करप्ट्स द सिग्नल, बिकॉज जो